Hello.
Lakas mo yung boses mo.
No!
What are those? DC-10A3.
This is a plane.
You buy that now? Plane?
Yeah. It's a Boeing A330.
It isn't really a Boeing. Back angle.
This is a Airbus.
Angle. Ah! You crashed so hard at the ground.
Oh my god.
You're a survivor. Yay!
So, let's just try the 777. You can get out. Oh no way! Too low terrain.
Escape.
Too low terrain. 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 Too low terrain.
System damage. No.
No, we need to tail.
Yes, you're laggy. I saw your phone lag on Roblox. You cannot.
We are showing you, not me.
Boeing. Plane, please, a plane.
Okay, goodbye.
Wait, move your face cam. There.
No, delete ako yung face cam. You can get out!
9/11, donk.
Bo just become 9/11. How about let's try a Boeing 787. Yang may nahanap lang ako. Yang bridge, Yanni. Bridge! Oh no, I hit the bank angle. Oh my god, Bo just snapped my way. What the?
Bro, almost look like a fish.
Bro, look at me.
Clutch.
Survive. Oh. Boeing 787. Oh my! I forgot about the bridge nearby.
Land.
Sige, emergency landing ako. Kasi meron ako emergency. Engine 1 on fire.
You just crashed.
Sino yan eh? Bro, why is he following me? Bro, I just ejected. What the? Bro, oh, look this. Eject ako ba? Bro, eject ba ako ba? Sa plane?
Go face cam.
Goodbye. Bro, goodbye. Ay, look at this. Back angle ko yan eh. Diba ito? Oh, shit! What?
Achievement. Land on that. Or system damage on it.
Kaya system damage yan ito ko. Ay, sayang. I miss. Kasi too low dapat ako. Oh, see? System damage.
Land.
Missions. Claim. How about this? That's easy. What plane to use? Just be plane. Bo, wag yung pangit. Bo, dyan yung pagkapangit.
That one.
Bo, just choose the UPS plane. Bo, you just choose the UPS. MD-11. Without landing. Ay, land ba ako?
Yeah, land.
Yeah, this is easier to land. Kasi
Landing gear.
Bo, I got my landing gear already. Boing.
Now end the video.
No.
Well, it's about to be night. I need to go.
Go, then go home. Then,
Come on, upload it.
Bo, watch na lang mo ako.
It's about to be night.
Then go home. Triple yun eh.
You can end the vid.
Why?
The sky, bro.
So what?
I might get pagalitan to my parents.
So go home. Watch na lang mo ako. Bro, that's not the problem. Mute tayo taman, tsaka mute po ito taman eh. Tsaka mute tayo. Kasi pag hindi, cancel na ako. Yung mute ba ito?
It's not mute.
Oh na. What the? Yung jet yan, yeah. That's a jet. It's a F-16 jet. Yung take off ba ako?
Yes, take off. You're about to land in water.
Oh my god, I just suffered a tail strike! Ay, yang ito. Ito ba? Gusto mo tinani?
Military.
Jet.
B2.
Ito yung jet ko. Isa F-16. Kilide ba ako? Kilide. Sayang, kilide ko siya na
That's so
siya.
fast.
Yan, isa F-16. Siyempre, fast yan! I just didn't even bawas my fuel. What is happening? Fuel. Bro! Night time na pala dito.
Check the time.
Ay, bro, uuwi na ikaw 6:30.
Upload it.
No, 6:30 na.
Maybe you didn't upload it in YouTube later.
Bro, promise, upload ko. Promise. Basta wala dito. I am gonna
Release
upload.
and going with.
What just happened to my jet? What just bro, why is it bouncing? Hey, tipid trick shot ko. Hey, jet. Yeah. Oh my god, look.
Landed the boat.
Bro, just look how, bro, water yan. Boing. Oh my god, what just happened? What just happened to him? Mid-air breakup. Tita mo yung mid-air breakup. Ito ulit ko, mid-air breakup. 3, 2, 1. Mid-air breakup.
Bro, someone's calling you.
Bro, that's Gab. Call it. Check. Baba na din ako. Si Gab yan eh. Si Gab? Wala ba? Okay. Kaso basta lang wala si Gab, we can still play.
My brother's leg is broken. You cannot punta dito.
Oh no.
Simpson. You need to upload it so bad. Maybe you will forgot how to name it.
Promise, tape ko.
Okay.
No? Why?
I can write a message so you won't forget.
Okay. May mama ko asthma. Rolling. Too low terrain, too low.
Yung kaibigan mo nasa baba, oh.
Papa,
Ano ginagawa niya sa baba?
pencil. Pengi siya. Meron na ikaw? No. Don't forget to... What is this?
Don't name.
Name, okay. Do...
Don't forget to name the video and upload it. Upload.
Okay, thanks.
So,
Goodbye, Sidian. Bukas ulit!
Ano mo?
Pa!
Ano mo baka
Pa!
tingnan mo muna sa baba?
Pa! Meron siya pa scooter!
Oo nga, tingnan mo muna. Lalabas na eh.
Sige.
Putang ina, bumaba ka.
Goodbye! Papa! Magtitag na siya.
Ikaw hindi mo tinitignan, mamaya may kinuha yan doon sa atin.
Ay, Sidian! Ay, gamit pa ikaw? Wag lang. Wala.
May kinuha sa baba.
Wala na!
Balik.
Wala na ni!
Putang ina ka, ito.
Pa!
Hindi ko tiwala.
Bata na yan, bata!
Oo nga. Tingnan mo nga yung unang kuron.
Bakit? There would be a break. On the hero, turn lights out. F16, F16. Born the